What up guys, it's R4UL TV, Team R4UL, we're back again, and what we're doing today is, we've got a little something special, the new thing on R4UL TV, Team R4UL, right, you know you get your 15-minute meals, yeah, 15-minute meals, 10-minute meals, on the, like Jamie Oliver, TV chefs, Gordon Ramsay, we're going to be doing the 15-minute mechanics, yeah, things you can do in 15 minutes, you know what? Time's ticking, let's go. The thing with 15-minute mechanics mindset is exactly like the 15-minute meals, right? You need to get all your things in place, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the brake pads. Front brake pads on most cars, pretty much the same. This is a Skoda Octavia 2014 plate. So yeah, let's go, let's do it. Time is ticking, like I said. What am I doing talking? Let's go. So without further ado, I've wasted about a minute here. Start the time, let's go. Alright guys, first things first, we have to take the wheel off, make sure we crack the wheels on the floor, right? If you've got an impact gun, take it off with the impact gun. If not, crack them on the floor, then take them off while it's on the ramp. If you do it on the floor, like I mentioned, make sure it's safe. Time is ticking, as you can see, you're in 29 seconds, 30 seconds. Why am I showing you the clock? Right guys, time is ticking and we're on 2 minutes 30. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to take this clip off. Just flick it off basically, yeah. We're going to take the two Allen key bolts off, caliper hanging bolts off. Let's get on with it, let's go. With the 15-minute mechanic mindset, you need to get everything ready. All your tools ready and everything. If you want to do it within 15 minutes, you know. If you do it on the floor, I'd give you a bit more leeway. Do it in 20 minutes, okay? Because jacking it up and everything on the floor, slightly harder. Before I stand up on the ramp, I did take the brake fluid reservoir off. The cap off, that is. Right guys, 3 minutes 32 and we've got the brake pads off, calipers being pressed back, all ready for the brake pads. Let's do the other side, let's go. Like I said, it's dead easy to do this job. 15 minutes. If you get everything in line, all your parts, all your tools, it'll take less actually. I'd say 10 minutes. Look, I'm not lying, the time is still ticking there. 5 minutes. Brake pads are off on both sides. We've just hit 6 minutes. Let's go, let's get the new ones on. Right guys, 6 minutes down. just above 6 minutes gone. And what it is, make sure we've got plenty of time. About 15 minutes, yeah. Let's relax, have a chill, have a relax. Get on with it. Right, what we do is give it a little clean out. Wire brush. Pads are ready to go on, let's go. Make sure you have everything ready before you fit everything on. Like I said, I'm not going to show you how to replace the brake pad because it's a race against the time. But if you want to know how to replace brake pads on most cars, just check out my video on brake pad replacement. Front brake pads, that is. Top tip, make sure you put them on by hand, the anchoring bolts first. Don't go gunning them on or tightening them up with the ratchet straight up. Cross thread them, it'll take you more than 10-15 minutes then. Right, the time is over 7 minutes, so we're about halfway there. Plenty of time. Right, 8:47. We got one side to do yet. We need to put the wheels on back on. Let's go. Let's do it, guys. I'm not cheating at all because see, I'm moving on to this side. I'm not doing anything on this side, and we're on 9 minutes. Yeah, no cheating going on here. Legitimately, this is the time. I better get on with it. 15 minute job. What the hell? I'm talking for about past 20 minutes. Right, we are on 9 minutes. 35 seconds. I better get on with it because we are falling back now, falling behind, talking too much, yapping too much, and not much action, basically. Brake pad on. The other one has a sensor on it, mine doesn't have a sensor on it. Put the sensor on. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 seconds. You might have seen a cut in the film there, because in the video, because a customer arrived, so I press pause on the timer and I press pause on the video, so not my fault. Yeah, 11:21. $11:40. 11 minutes 40. Let's get the wheels back on. But hurry up, guys. We need to. On to the other side. On to the other side. Look, the time is ticking. 13 minutes. We're on 13 minutes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Right guys, 14:41. I need to get in the car. Pump the brakes. Pump the brakes. 55. That's it. We're pumped up. Everything done. Stop the time. 14:59. 51 seconds. Right, okay. Right guys, there we go. That's the official time. 14:59, 51 seconds. Cutting it close, yeah. Cutting it close, yeah. But yeah, you can do it. If I wasn't yapping around and messing about, you can do it easily within 15 minutes, yeah. But yeah, that is it. 15-minute mechanics. Right. So brake pad replacement. If I wasn't messing about, you know, going from side to side and, you know, looking for the tools, which I didn't have it organized, 15 minutes, it would have been done in 10 minutes actually. So anyway guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this episode of 15-minute mechanics, and I'll see you soon with another episode. Yeah, see you guys, bye bye.